You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words, how they are different, how to pronounce them correctly. Let's break down the different pronunciations. British English and American English pronunciations are similar, so it's easy. The top word here is the noun emphasis. Emphasis, so stress on the first syllable. For example, you can put an emphasis on being brilliant. Emphasis, okay? So this is a noun, an emphasis. The bottom word is the verb, okay? When a person emphasizes on a particular topic, for example, emphasize is the verb. Emphasize, again the stress is on the first syllable. So the noun is the emphasis, the verb is to emphasize. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. More videos for you. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.